Halos lahat ng species ng penguin ay nakatira sa malamig na southern hemisphere ng mundo. Matagal nang nawalan ng abilidad sa paglipad ang mga penguin. Ang kapalit naman ng pagkawala ng abilidad nilang makalipad ay ang malakas nilang flippers o palikpik na sinamahan pa ng katawan nilang akma sa paglalangoy. At dahil dito, sila ang itinuturing na pinakamabilis lumangoy at pinakamalalim na lumangoy na ibon. And that's for you to know. Bayang magiliw, perlas na silungadan, alab na puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay.
Nako mga classmate, narinig nyo ba yun? Flag ceremony na. Nako, magagalit si madam. Halina na kayo, bilisan natin lumangoy. Yan, bilisan nyo. Nako, papaluin tayo ni madam pag nakita tayong late. Flag ceremony na. Nako. Bakal naman nito. Isa lang kasi ang kinabit nyong aso. Dagdagan nyo, gawin yung dalawa para bumilis. Ay, bagal. Ayan, dalawa. Ako, ang bilis naman sumobra. Ako naman, kaya ko. Ay na! Stop!
You want to see what my dog will do now? Yeah. Okay. Wait right there. Okay. Now, ease up to it. Sneak up on it. Get closer. Take a step. That's too close. Back up. Turn around. Get closer. Turn the other way.
Now, David, he wasn't even looking at you. How does he know which way to turn?
After you turn one way, after you turn around one way, there's only one way left to turn. That's the other way.
You mean to tell me this dog knows the process of elimination?
Process of elimination? Yeah, walk around in my backyard barefoot, you'll find that out real quick. All right, sneak up on it. Get closer. All right, now I'm gonna count to 3. Now, when I say 3, you get that ball, but don't you get it till I say 3.
You said 3 several times. When he gets the ball.
Well, how am I gonna tell him when you get it without telling him when I say 3 you can get it? What am I gonna do? Say when I say you know what you can get it? He understands. Why don't you?
I said 3 too.
All right, let's do this right. Get closer. All right, 1, 2, 5, 7. Okay, I'll be nice. 9, 11, 3. Good.
May nagaganap na karera, ngunit ito'y hindi karera ng sasakyan. Ito ay karera ng mga baboy. Tama, mga baboy. Oink, 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 oink.
For the first time ever on Ireland, we're racing pigs. Give them a round of applause before you see them there. Thank you very much.
And they're off. At ang nangunguna mga kapuso ay si Pork Chop. Ang sumusunod kay Pork Chop ay si Mr. Lechon. Si Mr. Lechon pumapangalawa, samantalang pumapangatlo si Pork Barbecue. Malalaman po natin maya-maya kung sino ang mananalo, si Pork Chop.
I was in Canada a number of years ago and I seen pig racing at Calgary, and it was my lifetime ambition to bring it back to Ireland, and now I've got it here, and I think it'll be one of.
Finally, the main event.
At ang natitira na lamang mga kaibigan ay si Pork Chop, si Pork Barbecue at si Mr. Lechon. Nangunguna na po si Pork Barbecue, naunahan niya na si Pork Lechon at ang nagwagi si Pork Barbecue. Yan mga kapuso ang pinakamagaling na baboy sa buong mundo, ang pinakamakisig at pinakamagaling tumakbo, si Pork Barbecue. Alright! Woo! Yes! Siguro naman nag-enjoy kayo, no? Well, anyway, bago mo kayo iwanan at mag-enjoy tayo sa Sabado-Linggo, ha? Alam nyo ba, ang horse, ang kanyang ipin ay nag-occupy na mas maraming space kaysa sa kanyang brain? Paano kaya yun, di ba? At ang dolphin, alam nyo ba ang dolphin? Ang dolphin ay merong belly button o meron siyang pusod. At ang lion, ano ba meron sa lion? Ang lion, baka hindi nyo alam ay merong whiskers, ha? Yung whiskers ito, at ang whiskers na yan ay walang, yan ang parang nilang thumb mark. Kumbaga sa tao ay may thumb mark, walang kaparehas, ano na rin, walang kaparehas sa kanilang whiskers. Well, anyway, I will see you on Monday and have a good and nice weekend. Bye-bye!
Ayoko na magpakabaliw sa'yo.